Hi there, it's me again, Jonna from Online English TV. We will talk about these two words today. I'd like to point out things that you might not have noticed before, like how to use these two words correctly, or do they differ in pronunciation? Let's find out. So stay tuned. These words could be used as nouns and verbs.
Thanks for the compliments.
The Larkins compliment each other.
Even though they differ in spelling, they are pronounced the same. Yes, look at the IPA symbol. They have the same symbols. Now, how they differ? Compliment with I is an expression of praise, respect, or commendation. If you compliment someone, it means you praise, you commend, or give positive remarks.
What a nice compliment.
Nice compliment.
Now let's practice using this word in sentences. The professor is good at giving compliment to her students to encourage hard work. Okay, another example. It is easy to compliment others when you focus on their positive characters. Compliment with E, on the other hand, refers to making something complete or perfect. You can use it for food, drinks,
And walnuts can complement each other so.
fashions,
Things that don't compliment your jawline.
or even relationships.
I think we really compliment each other well.
Now let's practice more by using this word in sentences. The personalities of the couple are a perfect complement to each other. It means if they are a complement to each other, they complete whatever is lacking in their relationship. Okay, another example sentence. The necklace complements the dress. It means to say that the necklace makes the dress even more attractive. The bottom line is, use compliment when you praise or commend someone. Use compliment with an E, on the other hand, when you refer to something that completes or makes something look perfect. And that would be all for now. I hope this video helps you to understand better the difference between compliment and compliment.
I understand.
And if you love this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Sending love to all.